Don't forget, if you like art and you want to show it, pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. These are only going to be around till October 31st, 2022. And then after that, I'm going to take them away forever. So pick one up before then. I put these on water bottles. I put these on, on my laptop. I put them all over the place. But definitely pick one up if you like showing your spirit. Anyways, let's get back into the lesson.
Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go around and draw a clown skull. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. Let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to draw a line right here on this far end for the far side eye socket. I'm going to go over here on this side for the eye socket closest to us. Curve over here. Line across. Down. Curve right here. You have the eye socket at an angle. Line out. Line over here. Down. Alright. For the nasal cavity, right? Nasal cavity side on that side. Curve line over here. Out over here. Down. Outward for the rest of the eye socket on the far end, right? Because the nasal cavity is kind of covering up right that area. Line over here. Line over here. Okay, that's for the dimples in the actual skull. There's some dimples there. Gonna go right here and draw a line up and then fill in the rest of the nasal cavity. Gonna go over here. Fill in the rest of the nasal cavity. Go over here. Fill this in as well. Kind of the eye socket, sorry. Don't forget to hit the like button, by the way, if you like the whole idea of like clown skulls. And pick up a sticker, by the way, for the season. They're not going to be there next year. Like they're retiring them this year, retiring them, as you say. Alrighty, fill it in. Cool. Gonna go over here to the brow. Over here. Over here, the brow. So there's nothing clown about this yet, right? Out over here for the cheekbone. Out over here for this side, for the cheekbone. Out. Line down. I want to give him like some long canines. Down over here. Up over here. Backwards. Up. Curve. Down. Gonna go up here, curve, over here, curve, over here, curve, over here, curve down, curve down, curve, 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 curve. Line over here, back down. Alright, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the kind of colorful, like as far as the clown part goes, I'm gonna draw kind of a colorful afro. So I'm gonna go over here, draw a line, over here, down, and go over here for some texture here around that part. And I forgot to put some texture here on this side, but I'm going to put some texture here. Just kind of around the edges. And then I'm going to go here and do this. See, I'm going to draw lines through it. Get that completely colorful afro thing going on. Line in. curved line here, curved line here, curved line here around the edge. Right on. And go right here, this area for the bottom of the jaw. Line, 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 line. And then I'm going to draw the area around the neck here. It's got this collar, right? This goofy collar. Line over here. In, line out, 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 out. You get that collar there. So it's a little bit of a different style of clown skull. I didn't draw the nose or anything like that. I more or less just kind of, you know, threw in kind of some aspects like that of like the clown suit and the hair. You can draw little thin lines here going up the hair. Don't forget to check out the official website at sketchingeasy.com. There is a free how to draw ebook to draw anything. I'm sorry, not ebook. There's a lesson on how to draw anything over there. So check that out. Curve, 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 curve. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. Line, line. Curve, curve, curve. Line over here. Line over here. And I'm just drawing these little thin lines in order to give some detail to this other stuff. Right, and the rest of it kind of gives it a little bit more shape and dimension. When you do that, we draw these thin lines that are meant to, they're meant to show different parts of form, right? That's kind of what we're doing here with them. Alrighty, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you next time and see you soon. Don't forget to reach out and say hi to me. I'm always open to talking about anything. So about, you know, drawing and like let me know anything Halloween, of course. So thanks so much and see you later.